Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials and then immediately act. Open settings and check windows update so system accessibility features behave predictably. Once done, sign in with an admin account. You need permission to change system-wide color options. Make sure full-screen apps are closed and note display orientation and brightness because inverted colors can mask these. Now go to Settings Accessibility to begin reversing the inversion. That's where the color filters live and where you'll take the first real action. Now you'll disable the color filter and confirm the change. Navigate to Accessibility Color Filters and toggle the filter off. If inversion remains, switch filter types to see immediate differences and identify which setting caused inversion. Use the keyboard shortcut Win plus Control plus C to quickly toggle the effect and confirm it's controlling the issue. If you don't see the option, make sure Group Policy or a registry key isn't enforcing a filter. You'll need to inspect Administrative Templates or HKCU/software/Microsoft/color filtering. Finish by ensuring the change persists and troubleshooting if not. Restart Explorer. EXE or reboot so System UI stops applying old settings, and then verify that color filters remain off. Make sure your GPU control panel hasn't forced color inversion. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel settings and reset color adjustments to default. If inversion persists, create a new user to isolate profile corruption or roll back to a recent restore point. One key tip: use Device Manager to roll back or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.